I'm going to demonstrate how to change out a coil balance on a Pro 1 Door Alliance vinyl single hung window. For this procedure, you will need a replacement coil, a pencil, a flat-headed screwdriver, a Phillips power driver, and a heat gun. Let's start by removing this sash. Unlock the window, raise up out of the seal, engage the tilt latches, tilt it to 90 degrees, and lift sash from the chutes. Next, we will relieve tension off the shoe by releasing the brake and gently allowing the spring to retract. We do that with a flat-headed screwdriver, insert it into the shoe, turn it 90 degrees, and allow the spring to retract. Now I will remove any screws and any sash limiting devices from the shoe channel. Start with the screw on the coil and the screws from the sash limiting device. Once the screws are removed, the sash limiting device comes right on out. Using a pencil, mark an area larger than the balance to heat on the frame. Position the balance about 6 inches below the area you are going to heat. Using a heat gun, heat the area that you have marked with a pencil. Be sure just to heat the walls of the shoe channel itself. I will heat this until the vinyl is very soft and malleable. Once the vinyl is very soft, I will remove the old balance and reinsert the new balance. Any distortion that is caused can be heated back out. Once the vinyl has returned to its normal position, allow it to cool. Move the new balance springs back down to the original location, install screws, and replace any sash limitation devices that were removed. Now align the balance shoe with the shoe on the other side and turn the brake 90 degrees to engage. Now it's time to reinsert the sash.